Okay, since I'm going to be riding the Trans-American Trail in July, I wanted to go ahead and pick up myself an extra set of clutch and brake handles. So I got on AliExpress and I found this brand here. They had some pretty nice looking handles here for the Kove. The ones I have, they actually say 800X on them. They have the same kind of gold color along the rims. So they look like they're a pretty good construction. They are a breakaway design, so that if you do happen to land, they'll come up instead of snapping off, which is nice, and they're also adjustable using this little toggle switch here. So they seem to be constructed fairly well. We're going to get them installed, see how they go. Now, I am going to be putting the hand guards on my bike as well, so the breakaway hopefully won't be as needed as much, but you never know what it catches on. And I'll keep the stock hand grips as my backup. So I'm going to go ahead and get these installed, and then I'll give you a good review on how they feel and what the setup is like. However, before I get them installed, I just wanted to give you a visual of how much shorter they are in the shortest position. You can adjust these, the length of them. There's a little Torx screw right there that you can loosen and adjust the handle to go longer. But this is the shortest position, and that's how much shorter they would be than the stock grips. All right, here it is installed. And I have to say, I think they look great. I like the look of the gold anodized trim, really matches the color of the rims. The adjustment knob here allows you to adjust the clutch engagement length, and the maximum to minimum gives you quite a bit of adjustment. So on the fly, if you don't like how far your clutch is engaging, you can just adjust that with the flip of a switch. At first I was a little worried that this could get bumped while driving, but it has a pretty good click feel to it, and it takes quite a bit of pressure to make it change positions. I think I'm going to keep mine on the shortest adjustment as far as the length goes, since I'll be adding the hand guards a little bit later, and I also like the shorty feel for my clutch. So again, so far I'm liking them, and I think I'm going to ride a little bit with them, and maybe I'll give you guys an update later on how I feel long term.